So hello guys and welcome back to Tech Checks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to win a bank heist and step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to win here in bank heist, it's just pretty simple. Let's try to land one on one right now. So let's see, and there you go. Yeah, I'm landed on the shutdown, unfortunately. So let's just try to skip this part as fast as possible. And let's see if we'll get another shutdown. So basically, try to speed things up right here. So let's try to get a random bank heist. So there you go. I have gotten a mega heist basically. So here my techniques are basically going on the crisscross platform like that, and then you'll know where the rest are basically. So here, if there's a diamond, probably there's gold right here or not. So it really depends, it's kind of random, but basically all I do is try to tap on the corners, and then maybe you'll try to find out where the last one is basically. So there you go guys, that is how you win on a bank heist basically. And thank you for watching this video, and see you again next time.